Ngenda kwogera ku ngeri gy'oyinza otandikamu a cereal business. Business ya cereals eba etunda ebintu omulinga sorghum, millet, rice n'ebirala bingi nnyo. So mu video eno ngenda kwogera ku ngeri ki gy'oyinza otandikamu business dealinga mu cereals. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aida. So kachigenda kwetagisa ofune capital. So tandise ekitono kyolina. Oyinza n'otandika okuleeta obuwunga oba ebijanjaalo. Eno business osobola ogitandisa n'obukadde nga 5. Osobola otandika eno business n'akakadde 1, 2, 5 n'okweyongerayo. So ozitetenkanya n'otandika okusuubula omuceere n'osobola okwetandikirawo this cereal business. The highly demanded cereals one can start with include groundnuts, maize, wheat, porridge or sorghum, beans, rice, for example Pakistan, basmati, kaiso, super. Zoze zimu ku highly demanded products in this cereal business zosobola okutandika nazo. Then the benefits of cereals. Bw'oba kigendako takusomanya the benefits of cereals. With cereals, the higher you sell, the higher the profits. Jonoko motunda, for example, buunga, the higher you sell. Jonoko motunda, jojo funamu amagoba. Business ya cereal eri profitable kubanga omuntu tasobola kumala lunaku nga talidde. So kino kiwa business eno okubanga eri profitable. The benefits also, it take long to expire. The cereal products like beans, rice, they take long to expire. Birawo okwononeka. How to start this business? You have to pay taxes or licenses needed. Know the products you want to stock in your business. For example, rice, sorghum, millet. Know the products which you want to stock in this business. Then need a storage for the products. Wetaga storage, wogendo keeping your cereal products. Then you need research about the market. These are some of the tips. You need to identify a safer location for your business. Get a safer location where you can start your business. I also have to calculate cost of rent, cost of license, cost of the production. Then market research. When doing research for the market, you have to find a good place to set your cereals. Identify fast moving cereals on the market. For example, rice, beans. Get to know the potential customers. Igi boarding schools. Ba customers ba cereals abasinga ba boarding schools, institutions, hotels. Then mulimu hotels, maize millers, households, millet, flours, bebo ba customer ba cereals. Then location. Bw'oba otandika business ya cereals genda kwetagisa location. Nga good location erina okuba nga eri mu busy areas. For example, in towns, consider the areas with relatively low prices, areas with higher demands of cereals. So bw'oba onoonya location, consider the areas with higher demand of cereals. Then identify cereal suppliers. Kigenda kwetagisa identifying cereal suppliers. As you have to get suppliers of different varieties. For example, you can get suppliers of rice like basmati, Pakistan suppliers. Beans, for example, those supplying you with yellow beans. Rural areas, you can reach out to local farmers to supply you with the cereal products. Go to the villages and get the farmers of the cereals. Make sure you buy well-drained cereals, making sure ogula cereals ezili well dried. Olema ogula zino ezigenda okwononekako amangu. Then storage, you need to know about the storage. Storage eri very essential. Storage erina okuba near your shop. Eri very essential in the cereal products cause olina okustoringa omuceere gwo, rice, beans. So making sure ofuna storage ennungi. Avoid storing your cereals on the floor. If you don't want to get your cereals spoiled, avoid storing them on the floor. Tobiteeka ku floor seminti agenda byonona bijayitamu empewo. So making sure oteekawo ebibaawo kwogenda storinga cereals zo. N'era ekirala ky'olina omanya, making sure that cereals are dry before storing them, making sure ziri very dry nga tonaba zitereka. Then the challenges of this business, there are some challenges you will face in the cereal business, which include poor storage facilities, inadequate marketing of your cereals, lack of managerial training, and lack of enough capital. Those are some of the challenges you're going to face in the cereal business. Those are some of the things you need to know when starting a cereal business. Thank you for listening to me. You can consider subscribing to my channel if you're new. Like, share, comment. Thank you for watching my video and for visiting my channel.